So in this session, we are going to install Node, NPM and Express on a Windows operating system, and we are going to test our applications on the Node server. In order to do this, what we can do is, let's proceed to google.com, and on the website, we can simply search for Node.js website. You can simply type in Node.js download. So it will redirect you to the website nodejs.org, and on the website here we have a download link available. Okay, so what else we can do? We can directly go to the website nodejs.org as well, and on the very first page we get the operating system download available. Node.js website automatically identifies the operating system through which we are connecting, and it suggests the recommended download for that operating system. So let's say if you are trying to access this website with a Mac, you will get this download section for Mac machine. If you are accessing with Linux, you will get that for Linux, and if you are accessing with Windows, you will get that for Windows. So now what next we have is, we have a recommended for most user version available for this, and this is LTS version 6.10.3. Okay, so you can simply click on download and we can download Node.js program here on the machine. This is of 12.2 MB size. Okay, so the size is not too large, it's 12.2 MB, and I already have the download available. So let me just go to the download directory, and this is the MSI file, which is Microsoft installer file for installation on your Windows operating system. You can also download that on your machine, and once we are done, we'll go to the page where we have this installer available, and let's say we are going to put that installer over here within this directory. Let's just keep it here. I'll just make a directory here for this cloud computing Node.js Express 1, and I'm going to save that here. Okay, so now what we can do is, we can simply double click on it and get started with the installation. You can go run, you can use next install for installation of Node server. So we can simply go to next, we'll accept the license agreement, we'll go next. This will be installed within C program files Node.js directory. We'll click on next. All these packages like Node.js runtime, npm package manager, they will be installed and they will be automatically added to the path in environment variable. Okay, so we can access this Node and npm program from anywhere on the command line. Now what we'll do, we'll click on next and we'll begin with the installation. So now, once the installation is completed, we are going to access that. So now once your installation is done and validity of installation is done, so once we are done with installation of Node.js, now we can quickly click on finish, and Node has been installed successfully on your machine. So now what next we have to do? Now we can access Node.js, and to do that, what we have to do, let's go to the command prompt here. So now what we can do is, once we have got Node set up, now we can open the command prompt, cmd.exe. You can run it as an administrator as well. And now on the path, what you can do is, you can simply type in Node. Okay, after setup, as soon as you simply type in Node, you're going to get this prompt information here that we have logged into the Node program. It's the exe file of Node.js. Okay, and Node is generally operated through command line. Okay, now what next you have to do? You can use Ctrl+C 2 times in order to quit Node. In order to see the help of Node, we can use -h option. So once we do that, now you can see that we can specifically execute Node, we can debug a script file, whatever script we have written, and we can specify information to that JavaScript file as well. Okay. So what basically we do, we develop JavaScript files here in Node, and these JavaScript files act as web applications. Okay. So here, generally the programming language used for Node programming is JavaScript language. Okay. You can use object-oriented JavaScript and you can run it on your server, and server will be responding back to the client requests. So now what next we have to do? Once we are done with installation of Node, there is one more program which we have to see here, and this is npm. Okay. We can also use npm-h, and once we do that, so here you are going to get the help for npm. npm is Node Package Manager. Okay. What npm actually is, npm is a package manager application which keep track of all the packages available on the internet which can be used with Node server. Okay. So let's say there are packages for Express, there are packages for template designing, there are different packages available on the internet, and using npm we can quickly download those packages on our machine and we can use them with Node server. Okay. So here is the npm program available. Using this npm command, we can make use of any of these commands available. Generally we use install and uninstall commands in order to install the packages. Okay. So now what next we want to do, once we are done with installation of Node program, now we are going to proceed with installation of Express generator on our application. Okay. So Express will be the template or the basic framework using which we will be developing web applications for Node server. Installation of Node is very easy. Once you are done, it's ready and available on path. You can use Node program directly, you can use npm program directly, and you can proceed to use. Now what next we have to do? Now we are going to proceed to installation of npm on the machine. Okay, and that we'll do in the next session.